In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage an epic in Jira. If you've ever tried to plan a large feature or a major system update and ended up with a backlog full of disconnected tasks, you already know the problem. Without a clear way to group related work, sprint planning gets messy, roadmaps become harder to read, and it's much more difficult for stakeholders to understand the bigger picture. The good news is that Jira makes it much easier to organize high-level work using epics. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up in a clean and practical way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian cloud site, or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page. Once you're logged in and your main Jira dashboard is open, look at the top navigation bar and click the blue Create button. This opens the issue creation window where you can choose what kind of work item you want to make. In that creation window, find the field labeled Issue Type. Open the drop-down menu and select Epic. This is the option used for large bodies of work that group related stories and tasks together. So choosing the correct issue type here is important before you enter any details. Once the Epic form is active, click into the summary field and enter a short, clear title for the feature group. Keep it specific and easy for your team to recognize at a glance. For example, you might use a title like Authentication Framework Refactoring Engine. Then move down to the description area and write out the main goals, expected outcomes, and any high-level release criteria. This gives everyone shared context before work begins. When that looks good, click Create to add the epic to your project. Next, open the epic you just created. Under the main title area, look for Add a Child Issue, or use the plus icon if that's what your layout shows. Click it, type a short title for a related child issue, such as Database Schema Migrations or Write Integration Tests, and press Enter. Jira will create those items and automatically link them to the epic, which saves time and keeps your work structured correctly. If you prefer a more visual planning approach, go to the left sidebar and open Timeline or Roadmap, depending on your project view. From there, you can drag an unassigned child issue directly onto the correct epic row. Jira updates the relationship automatically, which is especially helpful when organizing multiple items quickly. Before you finish, take a moment to review your timeline or backlog. Make sure the epic title is clear, the linked child issues appear in the right place, and everything looks organized and easy to scan. That final check helps prevent confusion later and keeps your planning view reliable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.